So we had our R56 come into the shop. Customer took it to another workshop. They said there was a misfire fault on the car. They had a look at it. They couldn't really find the problem, so he brought it to us. We checked the normal stuff, spark plugs, ignition coil. We didn't go much further than that because we wanted to check compression, and we heard there's no compression in cylinder 4. So we told the customer, let's pull off the head, let's have a look, let's see what's happened, but most likely it's probably a valve that's dropped or something like that. So let's have a look, let's strip the head. So we stripped the head. So come have a look at what we found. So you can see there's pit marks here, and we obviously somebody's let go. You can see the gap there. So it looks like the valve seat's actually let go, and it's actually a piece of metal's dropped in here and damaged the head, which is obviously the head needs to go for engineering and stuff like that. But it gets even worse than that, because when we noticed, when we pull off the head, you can come look here in the piston, that piece of metal also damaged the piston over there, which completely ruined the piston, and we're not happy to send that back to a customer like that. So we quoted the customer on a new engine or engine rebuild, waiting for him to get back to us. But just as a heads up, don't always just take a misfire as a spark plug or a coil. Try and look further before you waste your money.